For nearly a decade, Sony's Alpha series cameras have transformed the mirrorless photography landscape. And now, there's great news coming up. Sony is gearing up for a major announcement at the New York Creative Space event on November 20th, 21. A number of credible sources indicate that a new full-frame Alpha camera is set to be unveiled soon. Although there is a lot of talk about the A1 II, Sony may surprise us with the A7S IV or A7 V instead. In this video, we'll examine all of the available information, speculate on potential enhancements, and discuss which Sony full-frame Alpha camera is on its way. So, without any delay, let's get started. Sony's upcoming November announcement strongly points toward the highly anticipated Sony A1 II. While some sources mention it could be a different Alpha series camera, the timing and circumstances make the A1 II an interesting possibility. The original A1, launched in January 2021, set new standards in the mirrorless camera world with its groundbreaking 50MP sensor, 30fps continuous shooting, and great autofocus capabilities. Now, nearly 4 years later, Sony appears ready to unveil its successor, though earlier rumors had indicated a November 2024 release window. Recent leaks from multiple sources paint an interesting picture of the A1 II. Rather than introducing a completely new sensor, Sony seems to be retaining the exceptional 50-megapixel sensor from its predecessor, a practical decision considering it remains one of the best in its class, offering an optimal balance between resolution and speed. However, the new model is expected to bring significant improvements in other areas. One of the most notable upgrades is the integration of a new AI chip, which could revolutionize the camera's already impressive autofocus capabilities. This advancement follows Sony's recent implementation of deep learning AI in cameras like the A6700, suggesting even more sophisticated subject detection and tracking capabilities in the A1 II. The camera is also rumored to feature improved continuous shooting speeds, though it's unlikely to match the A9 III's 120fps global shutter capabilities. This decision likely prioritizes image quality and dynamic range over extreme speed, maintaining the A1 series' reputation for exceptional image quality. In terms of physical design, reports indicate that Sony will stick with the current A1's body style rather than adopting the A9 III's design. While this might disappoint some photographers hoping for ergonomic updates, it ensures compatibility with existing accessories and familiarity for current A1 users. Storage capabilities are getting a boost with the inclusion of SD and CF Express Type A 4.0 memory card slots, promising faster write speeds for high-speed continuous shooting and video recording. Speaking of video, while detailed video specifications haven't leaked yet, we can expect improvements over the A1's already impressive 8K 30p and 4K 120p capabilities. Another interesting addition is C2PA certification support, addressing the growing need for content authentication in an era of AI-generated images. This feature could be particularly valuable for professional photographers who need to verify the authenticity of their work. The timing of this potential announcement fits with Sony's product cycle and market positioning. With Canon's R1 making waves and other manufacturers pushing boundaries, Sony needs to reassert its position in the professional camera market. The A1 II, with its blend of proven technology and new innovations, could be perfectly positioned to do just that. The November announcement could also mean the Sony A7S IV is coming, marking a significant update to Sony's video-centric mirrorless line. The timing would be particularly fitting, considering the A7S III was released in July 2020, making it over 4 years old, a typical life cycle for Sony's professional camera models. Recent rumors imply the A7S IV might take an interesting departure from its predecessor's design philosophy. While the A7S series has traditionally focused on low-light performance with lower-resolution sensors, leaked specifications hint at a possible shift to a 24-megapixel Exmor-R sensor. This would mark a significant increase from the A7S III's 12-megapixel sensor, opening up new possibilities for both video and still photography. The camera is rumored to deliver strong video performance, offering 4K 60p with full-frame 6K oversampling and 4K 120p in Super 35mm mode. An interesting aspect is the possibility of uncropped 4K 120p using pixel binning, though with slightly reduced image quality. The in-body image stabilization system is reportedly upgraded to provide up to 8 stops of compensation, along with new digital stabilization features. One surprising rumor is a downgrade in the electronic viewfinder from the A7S III's impressive 9.44N.EVF to a 3.69 MEM unit. This could indicate either a move to make the camera more accessible price-wise, with an expected price range between $2,799 to $3,099, or possibly a trade-off for other performance improvements like faster refresh rates. However, other sources claim that it could include a 40-megapixel sensor capable of 8K recording. This significant disparity in rumored specifications highlights the uncertainty surrounding the camera's final form. What seems consistent across various sources is that the A7S IV will maintain its video-centric focus while potentially offering more versatility for still photography. With the upcoming November announcement, speculation has also turned to the possibility of the Sony A7 V, though recent reliable reports hinted that this camera might be slated for an early 2025 release. The A7 series, known for its versatile hybrid capabilities, is due for an update since the A7 IV's October 2021 release. According to recent rumors, the A7 V might feature the new IMX366 44-megapixel sensor. With a 16-lane SLVS-EC interface, an electronic first curtain shutter, and an integrated 11-14-bit AD converter, the sensor presents excellent technical specifications. Together with the sensor's high resolution and advanced binning capabilities, these features point to notable gains in processing speed and image quality over its predecessor. This potential upgrade would position the camera strategically between the base A7 series and the high-resolution A7R line, offering a sweet spot for both photographers and videographers. Video capabilities are expected to see substantial improvements, with 4K 120p recording without crop, a feature that would significantly enhance its appeal to content creators. The camera is also expected to inherit advanced features from recent Sony releases, including improved AI-based autofocus and enhanced stabilization systems. Pricing is rumored to be around $3,200, positioning it competitively in the market while reflecting its upgraded capabilities. Design-wise, the A7 V might adopt features from the A7R V, including the 4-axis multi-angle LCD monitor and dual CF Type A card slots. The integration of an AI processing unit and 8-stop stabilization would further cement its position as a high-end hybrid camera. While the November announcement timing seems unlikely given recent reports of industry-wide production delays, the A7 V remains one of Sony's most anticipated releases, promising significant improvements in both photography and video capabilities. Outro, that's all for today. So, which of these 3 cameras do you think we'll get to see in the upcoming days? What are your expectations from them? Share in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you are subscribed to our channel for more content like this.